Okay, I'm at the Leo Petroglyphs and Nature Preserve. It's one of the finest examples of ancient petroglyphs in Ohio. Is engraved on the exposed rock protected by the shelter house. Ancestors of American Indians carved these figures onto this outcrop of the Sharon sandstone bedrock. These petroglyphs are likely the work of the four ancient culture, may be as much as 1,000 years old. So let's take a little gander around here. It's a really nice day out. And we'll go down this trail here in a second, but let's see if we can see what we can see over here. Now, supposedly right down there is, looks like the Pillsbury Doughboy a little bit. But if you can see that right down there, that's sort of upside down. This one, there's 40 figures representing animals, humans, and other figures that are now unidentifiable. So this looks like a bear's foot. And there's some right here down on below. You can see all of that or not. It's about as close as I can get to it. But here, let me see if I can go down. There's some bear's feet down here. I would assume that's what they are. So we'll walk down here as if this is someplace we should be. Or not. This has got all the signs of places for snakes. Look at all those big old trees that fell over. I think this is going to end our tour today. It's I'm the only person out here. It's not a busy park. I thought there would be a lot of well, not a lot of people, but a few people. But I guess there isn't that big demand for petroglyphs. Next time I know, I'll be a little more prepared when I come. Sort of reminds me of Hocking Hills though. And that place has got tons of people there today. So I guess if I was prepared, this would actually probably be a better place to go to, because it looked like it had some nice cliffs down there. Since we're here, we'll walk right here just to see what we can see. That'd be a cool place to stay if you wanted to get out of the weather. Yeah. Do I sound out of breath? Yep. Okay. Went riding on my motorcycle today. It's only 70 miles straight shot from my house here, but I took detours, took backcountry roads, and it's been about 105 miles I put on the bike today. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like I said, this is the Leo Petroglyphs and Nature Preserve. It's part of the, managed by the Friends of Buckeye Furnace and the Ohio History Connection. So that's it, and we'll catch you later. Bye.